So we will just continue. After putting the crab meat, we will now add the cucumber. Okay, and just optional. I also like to add sour cream or cream cheese. I like the sour taste of it. So I add more, just salt to taste, a bit sesame seed, okay. So I think that's all. And now this is how to do it. You have to roll it a bit, pressing tight. So that is how to make sure that the rice will stick to the nori or seaweed. So a bit pressing once in a while. And if you notice, I did not put rice in the edge, half inch. So when you press the rice, you still have enough space to stretch. So this is how to make sure, a bit pressing and stretching part there. It's just easy. Okay, now we have sushi. All we need is to place it in a plate so we can slice it, and make sure to use, since this is a small plate, I'd rather just slice it in the chopping board. That's excess, so just an inch. You can choose the way you like it. Okay. Slicing into small round sushi. Okay. Now we will arrange. For example, I put the